This type of time travel vlog content is blowing up right now, with many Instagram pages getting millions of views using simple AI-generated videos. If you look at some of these pages, you'll see they are just posting AI-created time travel POV clips, yet they are going viral again and again. And the interesting thing is that you can also create these kinds of videos using completely free AI tools. Many creators are already doing this and building pages that consistently reach millions of viewers. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI time travel vlog step by step using 100% free tools. The video you are seeing on the screen right now was also created using free AI. I didn't use any paid software at all. Everything was done with free tools. So in this video, I'll guide you through the exact process so you can create similar viral videos yourself. This trend is growing very fast, so make sure you watch this video till the end because by the end of it, you'll know how to create and upload your own AI time travel vlog on YouTube and Instagram. Now let's get started. To create a time travel vlog, the first step is to generate a good topic idea. For that, you will need a prompt template, and I'll provide the prompt link in the description below. First, open the link and copy the prompt from there. After copying it, go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat box, and click on Generate. ChatGPT will then start creating 10 different topic ideas related to time travel vlogs for you. This may take a few seconds, so just wait for the response to finish generating. Once it's done, you'll have a list of creative topic ideas ready to use for your video. If you don't like the topics that were generated, you can simply click the Regenerate button to get a new set of ideas until you find one that fits your content perfectly. Once the topic ideas are generated, select any one of them for your video. For example, if you decide to work with the first topic, simply copy that topic and paste it back into the ChatGPT prompt box. Then click on the Generate button. After that, ChatGPT will begin generating detailed prompts for you, including both image prompts and video prompts related to your selected topic. You only need to wait a few seconds while the prompts are being prepared. Once the process is complete, you will see that 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts have been generated. These prompts will then be used to create the visuals for your time travel vlog, where the images will first be generated and later converted into video clips to build the final video. Now, we will generate images using the prompts that ChatGPT created. To do this, we will use a free AI tool. First, copy the first image prompt from the list. After copying it, go to Flow AI and click on New Project. Once you click on it, a new interface will appear on your screen. Here, you will see an option called Create Nano Banana. Click on that option, then select the image format and set the size to portrait. After selecting the size, click on Create Nano Banana. Next, choose the model according to your needs. After that, click on the plus icon in the prompt box and then click the Upload button in the top corner. Here you can upload your selfie or any reference image that you want to use as the character in your video. You can use any character you like. For example, I will upload my own image here. Once the image is uploaded, simply paste the first image prompt generated by ChatGPT into the prompt box and click on the Generate button. Then wait a few seconds while the AI processes the request, and your first image will be ready. After your first image is generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next image prompt from the list. Once you copy it, return to Flow AI. Again, upload the same character image or selfie that you used before so the character stays consistent throughout the video. After uploading the image, paste the next prompt into the prompt box and click on the Generate button. Flow AI will start creating the next image based on that prompt. You need to repeat the same process for all the remaining prompts. Each time, upload the character image first, then paste the new prompt, and finally click Generate. By following this step repeatedly, you will be able to generate all the required images for your time travel vlog. Once you finish this process, all your images will be ready. The next step is to download all the images you have generated and save them to your device. To download an image, simply click on the 3 dots that appear on the image. After clicking on it, you will see the Download option. Select it and download the image in high quality. You need to repeat this process one by one for all the images you created. Once you finish downloading them, all the images will be saved on your device and ready to be used in the next step of creating your video. The next step is to convert your images into videos. For this, we will use Grok AI. First, go to the Grok AI website and sign up. After signing up, you will see an interface like this on your screen. Here, click on the Imagine button. Once you click on it, a prompt box will appear. Now click on the Upload button and select the Animate Image option. From here, upload the first character image that you generated earlier. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt that was generated for your topic. Then return to Grok AI and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, simply click on the Generate button. Grok AI will now start converting your image into a video animation. You just need to wait for about 30 to 40 seconds while it processes the request. After that, your first video clip will be ready, and as you can see, the result looks really impressive. After the first video clip is ready, the next step is to upload your second image. Once you upload the next image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box in Grok AI. After pasting the prompt, simply click on the Generate button, and your next video clip will start processing. You will need to wait a few seconds while the AI converts the image into a video. Once the next video is ready, repeat the same process for all the remaining images. Each time, upload the next image, copy the corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok AI, and click Generate. By following these steps, you will gradually convert all your images into video clips. After all the clips are generated, your entire video sequence will be ready. Finally, you just need to download each video clip one by one and save them to your device so you can use them for your final video. If you don't want to use Grok AI, you can also use Flow AI to generate videos inside Flow AI. Here, upload your character image first. After uploading the image, click on the Settings button and select the video option. Once the video option is selected, you can leave the rest of the settings as default. Next, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, simply click on the Generate button. Flow AI will then start converting your image into a video clip. This process usually takes a short time and the results are often very good and smooth. In just one click, Flow AI can generate impressive video results from your image. Once you have generated all your video clips, the next step is to edit the video and combine all the clips together to create your final time travel vlog. For the editing part, we will use CapCut. First, open CapCut and click on the Import button. Then import all the video clips you generated earlier, whether they were created using Grok AI or Flow AI. Once all the clips are imported, start by dragging the first clip onto the timeline, then place the second clip after it, and continue arranging the rest of the clips in order on the timeline. After placing all the clips, you can improve your video by adding transitions between clips, generating auto captions, or making small adjustments to make the video smoother and more engaging. CapCut also allows you to trim clips, adjust timing, and enhance the overall look of your video. Once your editing is complete and everything looks good, simply click on the Export button, and your final video will be saved to your device. Now your AI time travel vlog is ready, and you can upload it to YouTube or any social media platform.
This is insane! The entire stock market just crashed, and people are pouring out everywhere. Look at this!
Everyone's reading these headlines. The market just collapsed and nobody knows what happens next. I think fortunes just disappeared in minutes. Look at everyone's faces. This is devastating. The police are trying to hold everyone back. The entire street is turning into chaos. I can't believe what happened today. Wall Street looks completely different after this crash.